I've received a question from Ariel. I didn't know if to post it or ignore it or talk to him before I'm going to do it, but I'm doing it anyway. Ariel posted a question that is more like a statement that people under 30, the millennials, the new generation, they're unemployable, they're spoiled brats, and he can't work with them. And he's asking basically, what is the future and how can he find proper manpower? So first of all, Ariel, I think the problem is not with the millennials. I think the problem is with you. You just don't have proper recruitment cycle, and you probably don't have a company's culture. And let me explain. So first of all, I do agree. In the new generation, you have lots of people, young people, that they are spoiled brats, they have no work ethic, they're unprofessional, their work requirements are totally insane. But you have lots of young people that are extremely good, professional, willing to learn, willing to succeed, and they're not concentrating on all the crap that you have today. In my generation, which is the older generation, you will also have crap. In every generation you will have crap. The majority of the employees out there and people that are in the workplace, managers, owners, employees, all of them, lots of them are not good. And that's because they just want to pass the day and they're not willing to put the effort and the sacrifice to become more than what they are. And that's in any generation. With the new generation, you have groups of people that are generating crap and they're able to amplify it by social media, news that are covering it. So my generation, or probably your generation as well, we are amplifying their actions because it's news, and then it sounds much bigger than what it is. But in every generation, you have groups that will not be employable based on your standards. In my company, for example, most of the companies under 30. And I can tell you that each one of my employees is amazing and they are willing to do whatever it takes to be successful in life and successful in business. I can share with you that I have 3 kids, one in university. She's paying for the degree from her own pocket. She's also working while she's doing the degree. I have a high school kid. He's working since he was 12, doing MMA. Another small kid is also doing MMA. Bottom line, I can tell you that the people that you are attracting to your business depending on you as a recruiter. For example, you need to have a company's culture. Based on the company's culture, you will know which people are a good fit and which not. As an example, in my company, I will like to see people that are hungry for success. I don't want people that are just comfortable and coming to work because it's cool. I need people that are starving for success, starving to become more than what they are. I want people to tell me that next year they want to be a much better version of themselves. Those are the type of people that we attract to our company. And people that are not those type of people will be fired very, very fast, because none of us have no interest in attracting people that are not serious and not contributing and not able to create a much better working environment than what we have now. Next, you will need to create a scorecard, and the scorecard will have all the qualities that you want to have in the people that you are recruiting. You will need to have multiple rounds of recruitment with multiple individuals from your company to make sure that all the people think that the resource that you are going to bring in is a good resource. And the bottom line is, whenever you finish everything and the employees start to work in your company, if he is not exactly what you were looking for, fire him. Hire slow, fire fast. That's the only way that I found to be a successful way to attract quality and good people. So that's it. That's my answer, Ariel. I know that you don't like my answer. I'm sorry, but I had to say it. Thank you.